This changed my life. I can be more creative with the device, and it helped me to get rid of smartphone addiction. This is called Pocket Deck. It's a totally unique device. I designed the hardware and the software. I made it because smartphone is too much destructive, and paper notebook could be a second choice. But I still needed a bit more automated process than analog style journaling. As a heart of the software, it has fully featured terminal and a text editor. The text editor is powerful, so you can write a diary, journal, or novel, or even do some programming with Python for making tools to be creative. For example, I'm writing this video script on this device. I didn't want to compromise input experience, so I chose a USB keyboard as an input device instead of putting a tiny keyboard. So you can use any USB keyboard as you like. I want to feel good when I'm typing. The device is not limited to just editing text. It comes with some utilities powered by Micropython, so it means they are fully customizable. As an example, I made a clock and calendar with the tide graph because occasionally I surf, and the tools to process Markdown for journaling. Journaling is literally life-changing tools for me. This small Python script processes the Markdown. If you don't know about Markdown, it's a loosely formatted text file. It's great for journaling and writing articles. The processed text will be shown in a chart. I can see daily achievement in the chart, like no drink or do running. It can track number measurement as well, so like wake up time and weight. The data is part of my daily journal, so it's just a text file, so I can put the data naturally when I write a journal. As you see, it can be utilized for life tracking and task management. This device is designed for standalone use, like I made all of Python tools for this device on this device without using PC. It runs Micropython, which is a subset of Python. So you can edit the code, test, and run everything on this device. You don't need a PC. You can take this device and do a program at Starbucks if you want. To enable efficient Python development, I created easy-to-use integrated firmware, API, and a fully featured terminal. So you can create or modify applications on this device. You can customize the tools whatever you want. If you know how to program Python. If you don't know anything about the programming, still you can use all of the tools that I made for your creativity. Maybe you can still customize tools a bit just by changing a few lines of the code. Also, it has Wi-Fi connectivity and the Bluetooth. So it means you can stay connected without having so many ads and notifications. I use some API to get the data from the internet, like a tide graph that I made for clock and a ChatGPT API. I use ChatGPT for simple questions and occasional cooking recipes. It's actually a great device for cooking recipe. The screen looks retro, but it provides great contrast and fast frame rate up to around 70 FPS. For physical inputs, it has touch buttons, pads, and a slider. For audio, it has an audio codec and stereo speakers, so you can play sound and a stereo MEMS microphone for recording and possible AI processing like speech to text. And it has quality line-in and headphone output. If you know about the terminal, like terminal on Linux, this terminal supports a lot of ancient escape sequences, which makes application development a lot easier. It's good enough to do SSH to Linux machines, yes, it supports SSH and SFTP, and even more advanced applications like VI and Emacs worked on the SSH terminal. It's not going to replace your smartphone or laptop, but it will lift up your life a bit and protect you from ads and endless scrolling. Smartphone addiction. And for me, journaling changed my life. I started this project for my life improvement and, of course, for fun. But I think it might be useful for other people as well. This is a prototype, so the final product might be slightly different. I put a pre-order link in the description. More detailed video might come later. Thanks for watching.